Merging branches. Welcome to this presentation on merging branches. In the world of software development, working with version control systems like Git is essential. One of the key concepts in Git is the ability to merge branches, which allows developers to combine their work and collaborate effectively. Merging branches is the process of integrating changes from one branch into another, resolving any conflicts that may arise in the process. This presentation will provide an overview of the importance of merging branches, the different types of merges, and the steps involved in the merging process. By the end of this presentation, you will have a better understanding of how to effectively manage and merge branches in your software development projects. Let's start by discussing why merging branches is an important concept in software development. There are several key reasons why merging branches is crucial. Collaboration. Merging branches allows multiple developers to work on different features or bug fixes simultaneously and then combine their work into a single code base. This enables effective collaboration and teamwork. Maintaining a linear history. Merging branches helps maintain a linear and organized commit history, making it easier to understand the project's development timeline. This can be particularly useful when troubleshooting or reviewing the project's history. Conflict resolution. Merging branches can surface conflicts between changes, which can then be resolved to ensure the integrity of the codebase. This helps maintain the overall quality and stability of the project. Feature integration. Merging branches allows you to integrate new features or bug fixes into the main development branch, making them available to the entire team. This ensures that the project is constantly evolving and improving. Deployment readiness. Merging branches can help prepare the codebase for deployment by ensuring that all necessary changes are incorporated into the main branch. This streamlines the deployment process and ensures that the final product is up to date and ready for release. By understanding these key benefits, you can see why merging branches is a crucial part of effective software development and collaboration. Now, let's explore the different types of merges that can occur when combining branches in a Git repository. The first type is the fast-forward merge. This occurs when the target branch has no new commits, and the merge can be performed by simply moving the branch pointer forward. In this case, the commit history remains linear, and no new commit is created. The second type is the merge commit. This happens when the target branch has new commits, and a new commit is created to merge the changes. This creates a nonlinear commit history, but it preserves the individual commit histories of both branches. The third type is the rebase and merge. In this approach, the feature branch is first rebased onto the target branch, and then a fast-forward merge is performed. This results in a linear commit history, as if the feature branch was developed directly on top of the target branch. Each of these merge types has its own advantages and use cases, and the choice of which to use will depend on the specific needs of your project and the preferences of your development team. Now, let's go through the step-by-step process of merging branches in a Git repository. The first step is to check out the target branch, which is typically the main or development branch that you want to merge the changes into. Next, you'll merge the source branch, e.g. a feature branch, into the target branch using the git merge command. If there are any conflicts between the branches, you'll need to resolve them manually by editing the conflicting files. This involves reviewing the changes and deciding which version of the code to keep. After resolving any conflicts, you'll review the changes and commit the merge using the git add and git commit commands. Finally, you'll push the merged branch to the remote repository using the git push command, making the changes available to the rest of the team. By following this process, you can effectively merge branches and integrate new features or bug fixes into the main codebase, ensuring that the project remains up to date and collaborative. One important aspect of merging branches is dealing with merge conflicts. Merge conflicts can occur when the same lines of code have been modified in both the source and target branches. In such cases, Git will not be able to automatically resolve these conflicts and will require manual intervention. To resolve a merge conflict, you'll first need to identify the conflicting files. Git will mark the conflicting sections in the files with special markers, making it easier to locate the issues. Next, you'll need to resolve the conflicts by manually editing the files. This involves reviewing the changes made in both branches and deciding which version of the code to keep or how to combine the changes. After resolving the conflicts, you'll need to stage the resolved files using the git add command and then commit the merge using the git commit command. Resolving merge conflicts requires careful attention and understanding of the changes made in both branches. It's important to review the conflicts thoroughly and make informed decisions to maintain the integrity of the codebase. By effectively managing merge conflicts, you can ensure that the merged branch remains stable and functional. To ensure that the merging process is efficient and effective, it's important to follow some best practices. Let's go through them. 1. Regularly merge. Merge branches frequently to minimize the number of conflicts and keep the codebase up to date. This helps to avoid large, complex merges that can be more difficult to manage. 2. Merge into the correct branch. Ensure that you're merging the changes into the appropriate target branch, such as the main or development branch. This helps to maintain the overall structure and organization of your repository. 3. Use descriptive commit messages. When committing a merge, use a clear and descriptive commit message to explain the changes. This makes it easier for other team members to understand the context and purpose of the merge. 4. Test merged changes. Before merging, thoroughly test the changes to ensure that the merged code works as expected and doesn't introduce any regressions. This helps to maintain the quality and stability of the codebase. Number 5. Maintain a clean commit history. Avoid unnecessary merge commits by using techniques like rebase or squash to keep the commit history clean and linear. This makes it easier to understand the project's development timeline. 6. Communicate with the team. Inform your team members about the merge and any important changes or decisions made during the process. This helps to ensure that everyone is aware of the updates and can adjust their work accordingly. 7. Document the merge process. Maintain documentation on the merge process, including any specific guidelines or tools used within your organization. This helps to ensure consistency and makes it easier for new team members to understand the merging workflow. By following these best practices, you can streamline the merging process, minimize conflicts, and maintain a healthy and collaborative codebase. In summary, merging branches is a crucial concept in software development, enabling collaboration, maintaining a linear history, and integrating new features. We've explored the different types of merges, the step-by-step merging process, and the importance of handling merge conflicts. To ensure an efficient and effective merging process, we've also discussed several best practices, including regularly merging, merging into the correct branch, using descriptive commit messages, testing merged changes, maintaining a clean commit history, communicating with the team, and documenting the merge process. By following these guidelines and best practices, you can streamline the merging process, minimize conflicts, and maintain a healthy and collaborative codebase. Remember, effective branch management and merging are essential for the success of any software development project.